DJ Lil C4.
Hey family, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a wig from Amazon, and this is from the company, I think this is Sylvia Wigs. I forgot the name of the company, but if you just go on to Amazon and type in rainbow synthetic lace front wig, then this should pop up. Okay, I paid $45.93 for this wig. This is 180 density. It is 24 inches. And this is the perfect kind of color that I need in my life. Y'all know I love color. So this is not a review. I just want to come on here and install it with you guys and share it with y'all and just give y'all a little bit of my thoughts on this unit. So I'm just showing y'all the construction cap, just so y'all know, like with your regular Amazon wigs, you know, we got the 3 combs in the front and there's no combs in the back. And if you want to secure it, I suggest you sew it down. Also, about this unit being 24 inches, it did tangle quite a bit, so make sure you have your paddle brush right with you if you would like to wear this out, or you could just simply wear it for photos and take it off, you know. So like I said, I'm gonna be doing a lot of looks with this wig. Y'all have so much in mind, so make sure y'all stay tuned because I'm going to be going live. Also, I'm going to leave the link down in the description box as to where you can purchase this unit as well if you want to slay with some rainbow hair. Okay, so don't come for my ratchet nails, y'all. I gotta get them done. We just gonna overlook those, but I'm doing the stocking cap method because I haven't did the stocking cap method in a while, and you know I got some time on my hands, so I'm like, you know what, let me just, I want this wig to look so pretty. And when I finished her, y'all, like, oh, it was so gorgeous, like, oh my goodness. So I ended up straightening the wig because it had a curl pattern that I wasn't really too fond of. It looked too much like a synthetic lace front wig, so y'all know me, I just hooked up my flat irons and straightened her out, and it looked so much better. I put some anti-perspirant on it, deodorant, this one in a spray can, because it helped get rid of the shine. Or you can use some dry shampoo, or you can take a little bit of baby powder and put it on the lace front wig. I don't like using the baby powder because it makes it like staticky, and every time when I like brush it out, the hairs stick to the brush. I don't know if y'all ever went through that, but I have. So I'm just going to take my foundation and place it onto my stocking cap. I'm also going to place it onto the lace as well, blow it dry, and we're going to install this bad baby. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you head over there and hit that subscribe button, hit your notifications, so every time I upload you will be notified. And also leave your comments down below. Tell me what you think of this wig. Y'all know I'm bold and I don't care. I like going out in colorful hair. I live for color. Okay, so yeah, like I said, I'm going to leave the link down in the description box so you guys can order. I did not pluck my hairline because I couldn't find my tweezers, I couldn't find my archer. So you know what, I just went on ahead and added a little bit of powder, and then I ended up trimming the sides because it was a little bit too large for me, so I had to customize it for my liking. Also, for big head gang, this wig is on the big head side. So as you can see, I got a big old melon, girl. Okay, and I had to even adjust and customize the size of this wig, which I can really appreciate. All right, so it was very easy for me to install. It was just like real quick and bam. So you guys know I don't really use the glue on my lace front wigs because I change them so frequently. Like one day I might want to wear, you know, purple. The next day I want to wear, oh, speaking of purple, y'all, I need a purple wig. But anyway, I like to switch up my wigs mostly every day because with the looks that I'm doing, some wigs don't look right with a certain eye color, so I want to make sure the eye color looks good with my hair. Okay, so now that the baby hairs are laid, we're just going to get into this makeup look. And this is not really a makeup tutorial, y'all. I just figured I got some extra footage, so I might as well upload it right along with the hair so you guys can see the whole thing. Okay, all right, so if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. All right, hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload, and leave your comments down below. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna get on up out of here because I can talk entirely too much. And yeah, okay, loves, till next time, peace.